Stop! Before you spend money on ToonBee AI, you need to hear this. ToonBee claims it can create full animated cartoon videos in just 3 clicks. You type an idea, hit generate, and the AI builds the storyboard, characters, animations, voiceover, and music automatically. Sounds like a dream for content creators. And honestly, the technology is impressive. According to the company, it can generate cartoon videos without any animation skills required. But here's where the story takes a turn. When I started digging into real customer experiences, I found a completely different conversation. Multiple users on Trustpilot reported that the advertised lifetime deal wasn't exactly what they expected. Several reviews claimed they ran out of credits quickly, faced additional upsells, and had problems getting refunds. Meanwhile, Scam Advisor considers the website likely legitimate, meaning this isn't a fake website, but legitimacy and customer satisfaction are 2 very different things. So, what's the verdict? If you're looking for an AI cartoon generator, ToonBee might work for you, but don't buy because of the marketing hype alone. Read the pricing details carefully, understand how credits work, and check recent customer reviews before spending a single dollar. Because in the world of AI tools, the biggest mistake isn't buying a bad product, it's buying a product you don't fully understand. Follow for more AI tool reviews that save you time, money, and headaches.